Memoache.
Me also.
And Rana, ye can about optimizing mental health, ye can, and Bofra, ye can make Makakra, and ye can bar, and Nano, a DB a higher ma, ye ma, Nampese, ye can wasm, and no gadgets, phones, television, social media, computers, and then the account games. I am ma atia tomwa we your fear any Prisla Cheche.
Me my telephone in Archie.
But you also pay your necra.
And an opay conversation we made day because penny for cry addiction. No. Yeah, starting in Colana answer. I'm sure say a baby penny for another time. And I can I bet and I will define it compulsive no Quebec can say I say or shabby son just say yeah too much. Adianka maybe ube take you time I know. It's as you said oh yeah one yeah cry now who are they enter into TV phones Mrs. Yankolano munim phones no cry chain or bronze over phone no or child baby or baby no yeah camera 2 days ago or family phone or yeah camera or catching in your kitchen and say sit down let me do video for you.
Hey
now me what 2 years where I just said
I cried 2 years no
only
video
make I send a me babysitter my family be
okay
nana my break cause na my name be brain many akolano mama saw yeah me share maybe Christian yi cartoons be a good na ti say minute on na me ma dozy off and I don't even know how many hours I may call and I say maybe minutes me sorry ya kolai na nani rough phone yimu
hey
me am shame na me say no sada na me who say any say nanu cry but just me kofa pegs be so many cry me make sure but I saw the seriousness of how engrossed say na wa sha just say madanu kwan hanu it me catch me who say move say Christian content and be man no na di kwato be
bia kaden wo hwe
den no hwe. So it's a very serious issue that we are discussing today. More than 4 hours of screen time if you much say a link to anxiety
hey
ni I am share worry and also a link to depression.
I see
send what think I'm a back of and ADHD and I friend attention deficit hyperactivity because the near man no serious and few videos ni mono any games no Mati says baby the Roblox so say Roblox say and conduct issues games ni be some of these Japanese to kwani way no into your more competition maybe a person beat you na down for online or no so online and I may boy make sure
so they become very competitive
into and no the problems baby baba you be sheni na and I USCC no Israel say first time I collabenya age is no around 8 to 10 years.
8 to 10 years. Now, akuranya
phone and I said tablets and I said all these iPads nearly. Now, yeah, so no. By now, you're nenam. Who are you?
Mama can't say me now. Or the Nasre. My first computer.
Okay.
I'm in now. My masters.
Hey.
Tete computer desktop now. Also. It's articulator. A release gas na at your break. Na manage G ya no just say computer no kwedi no. Minim say na asekura. Ba mania G. That was maybe we me masters. And a second hand bio. Na oyana ni na abachi no pop this say na etikopo television Najina. That was them.
So with me imagine say you should you asema okay right me should send a follow down.
This was 26 years ago.
Yes. Now we are masters. Me nya phone. Na me wo JS. I think some be JSS.
Okay.
And I nya phone. Na nye smartphone dear. But na me wo phone.
Okay.
And so me share wo time we say gradually no eba from sa.
Eba from.
And it is I do 8 to 10 years.
Hey.
Kanu. Obani su. Why you busy nti? Oh, so we any manu. Coco Melon. Miss Rachel. Different times so ba. Coco Melon. Kola no amu Miss Rachel. Ko TikTok na. Nko for show mo videos a omo ma. Maybe no so who Miss Rachel na. You know my statistics.
No heading.
Obey di throughout. But yeah time no. Ye could dear grow baba we are ye fin usu cries up bebe fi because ma me boy be po no. Ya kwati abrofo katie na ye ni na me kofo mangoes ni ade na ye di emanu ye bebe ye ayi ye bebo ampe na ye no aduane ni ye bon kro ni ye nema basisi anu mema no so ba kopo football basisi anu entisa video games online all kinds of and a series a horror television no motiso it's very 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 serious issues now bibi a friend the international classification of diseases no mo share edichese o we yare say no sisi no currently o metimi recognize say internet gaming disorder no yare says diagnosis. Well, if you are a diagnostic statistical manual or psychologist, and I say so being a mental disorder, and answer when you're mental illness, and near my beshe who say when a chess when you are say, Sisia internet gaming disorder, and also so abe yare. Na yare senya sa gaming in me affect adrenaline.
Right.
Because we do ni peduana ye at the end be affected.
Right.
Enti adrenaline your areas be a sa gaming we no affect but say na we were explaining is the last time about prefrontal cortex, stress hormone cortisol. Maybe men can't ma etiefo who say bibia we bia no. There's a part of your brain affected.
Adebia we bia no. Adrenaline baby e kan.
And I say there's a part of your brain that is responsible.
Okay, and also
and a trap who send our brain to say yeah prefrontal cortex yeah yes and a train send a basically near judgment planning and gaming so no your baby will dreamer a be affected.
Okay,
a bini hippocampus akosu ani ho agro.
Okay.
Honor your memory, so we store information because gaming in a core dream and affect it in Colana na because Osisu Sama and our canoe. Obacone them, I know to say the word answers.
Okay.
In I be.
Okay.
Mamma, but no, I want to say the word that be a chese, and then I will know a be mother. And a honor would me a store information. Oda, a dear was Siano. That time no na encode the new a store or a dream.
Wow.
But because I'm calling Nantino, I dear we see on school no crown. Onkai, or best sorry no, a fina dream. Hippocampus no affected. Anterior cingulate also so prefrontal cortex ho and also can send out impulse control. Send out who's okay. I do a many butians are my reacting. But because it's constant exposure. Constant like saying a menya. Mami beating no.
Game no.
Hey, last time no or maybe another competition. Maybe when you're 8,000 points, is our now to so. Last time I'm a boy, will be in 8,500. She what? Oh, I will dream when he said, "See the base and base may break
our record.
When you obiqua record, sometimes one because I will break your record. Make any able game be. Me refini dinka crap. Me kaya mekan. Uba and I no show so one because our record no break. And see who was so breaking another record.
Okay.
And no dopamine flooding.
Right.
BB a friend neurotransmitters and no a reward Emma when you just so success na wo ye bibina obi bo abaso feeling na onye so my yard there abo sa dopamine flood no e ba bebre
okay send a shiegu ni adwunum bebre
inti debia inti Emma wa adwen no debia wo hwehwe likes na TikTok am dey to work 200 pena minya yo
okay
inti sisi content a wo ra any wo kwa se obeye no na nkola yiye because the person obi ehun so matare ye fe me hwe trend bi wo US sisi a omo prom yi omo wie high school a omo prom eyi a omo
dressing
na me say emuntari ahoro and these are 17 16 years 18-year-olds omo ye competition and I will use internet so bibi a friend reward down regulation cafes enyema ema wani gino sisi adina bruce untino enyema kwa wa brabum real life ema wani gino wani nji biom because a size when o pe akọ certain level bia unya bibi na ye to shoe bi ma o and say ye party at the back coffee buy idea so na minya rewards papa wo online what people reach no me dey there na me penyi mu kra me ko temu some other time bi amode bre me so you've won 2,500 coupon
no say yes way
many anje
yeah
dada it is na when na and a very prefrontal regions here impulse control at that young age any teenage years egusu mature
right
egusu nyini but because of constant exposure heavy use of social media heavy use of internet gaming emma adwene no kwan emma hono enyini se ne wo se enyini
okay
into be share akola bi uyi phone free ne chen esun ena buka last time say you match say uyi uji phone free teenagers are more UK
maybe quite
depression in the next few hours near day. It's a very serious issue. It's baby I was a community mida a physical activity. No more corner mobile money for interaction. Build your more impulse control.
Right.
Because they are stuck on the internet.
Right.
Maturity disrupted sleep. Makam wants him. Untimi na o memory no entimi the end store information a bit me a kaya there and no nema inattention any hyperactivity no so eba mood echo from because one night you sorry no why basa and a self-regulation so I didn't make kakra na me jai na makosua there nini na nti for parents be brave complaining say me ba no onya there onye the also otimi ye nini na ye issues face your children are teenagers who are heavily using social media internet and to say can was SOMPA FM and say ma nkofati say internet usage e was a regulator and a man who say and you say how I drink keke they have real implications on the brain. Obana Jia or the Benny who person obana be a doctor, be a lawyer. But on to me concentrate 30 minutes square on this year. Better in with me a be a lawyer. Yensha emotional impact. Say games your more boy competition, internet use on saying it to me a impact on I think
right. Their emotions.
Emotions. The first one your anxiety.
I am shishe.
And I make a say, you become one assembly.
Okay.
You baby, fear of missing out, FOMO. And what teenagers move
right.
Now, in penny for quiet to meet you. Hey,
Obia ni mechi. They are ready. Hey, I say Obia mama like.
Madam for the a two wa on your 2,000 likes so. Mini pa 5 and like him.
Hey, Ari.
Into a beer person your content creator. Bibi my friend a get ready with me. GRWM. It was social media. was sorry, get ready with me as I prepare for the day.
Hey!
Not from so cold dry. Shana Tarie.
Ye chasa!
Obetranina. Baby, I all call a Juma all ye. Adi onya onya gift. I get unboxing my gift.
So do they know the security implications of this thing?
I know the question for the God. Na inti obi unboxing a gift and onya any Val's Day any beshe when your phone on your iPad nini na a bouquet of money and to show when na Mrs. Me a teenager Miss me who ye fe Miss me who invest I didn't know Mrs. me boyfriend and you say be
on to me mommy
I didn't me it is social comparison and a constant notification into a phone enya ahoto de bia o hwe into menya saying into bia like me video into content and some because of the monetary aspect sikasema e ka ho say maybe YouTube no grow TikTok no grow influencers influencer ya basui
influencers when
it's anxiety
obi kura ma maybe I tell say I don't know influencer ba Ghana bi some influencers no or tell us influencer and I influencer so say that's almost influencer ba bi
na ye ko depression so o hwe sanema weni na low self esteem
just say ombu ne ho
mama especially toning cream see
okay
uhwe ne skin a edaso uhwe weni ma pimples e ko wiase ba eni na e wo weni ubisa say and asisi e dia bai body shape nkofo ye omutu eni ade
copy ese mo pia
aha fat no ko sheho na Coca-Cola body shape into ubisa say na me dem call ya na say me bai our children are experiencing those things and that young age no no mu sua wiase they are learning about the world it is akola no at that age sua sanema way every internet so shaping our dream to appreciate life in a balanced way.
Okay.
It's depression or dream so media may come home or bunny who abufia and they are constantly feeling low. Another thing is also your irritability and rage, violence.
Hey.
Phone na shen collect.
No, I turn home.
No
1 and 9. Yeah.
No, a Jan Wensi form. No be able to say, hey. Na then ya obano obi ko ready say obano wo ye ni bibi
me madam kames va guy make I say soldier pikin say be see abo afa no next time ka yes
uko ba wo nya sa de ni bi and withdrawal like symptoms obesu na fama me no su on the deep enyema bebre nti na mothers ne fathers oma ye worry sometimes wo ni pem to be so jaisu sa emotions when na eno na ekika kwa no ni e be conduct problems because when you your pen antisocial behaviors no ye ene maybe emotional numbness say sisi akra atinka no on shede just when ya excitement be a bro so
okay
enti niema nka maybe o akola when be what we see dear on in enough for dear grow omo ya puzzle be and omo ya games be na omo ni na ani age omo interacting so I join any hope you loneliness who likes bebre who followers bebre it is you feel alone because only wa fefo interacting because body no ya shishe say ye be ye alone ade bia ye hwe screen so sa na ye mpanyifo kwa maybe we hwe movie kakra e go so kwa abre na be say oye bibi fufuro na say na so messy way and na me ma way no matter how good social media is internet the yenema bebre but it cannot replace face to face a human interaction
right
and akola ni here because one of the things that you should match say peer support, peer relations, and dream to grow their emotions, how to connect with others. And it's on your side now, obey lonely. And a body image distress, make her depression, make her hoka cry, filters ahuro.
Okay.
Snapchat filters.
Okay.
And then uye kokokra, uye tuntuma, chinchina chi, obesa uye koko.
Hey, SOMPA.
Bayi body and uye swaye kesiye dodo. Weight loss mu ahuro. Mameka hokakra. And near man for Tom or social media. On 2 weeks. We fubeye flat. Na microphone no niema go mu body mu a. It's affecting our children, their ability to study, their ability to develop their brains. And it's a serious issues. Now more actions this way. Emotions no are affecting our thinker. Saying a play out. Saying so be a share social media now say internet gaming internet disorders then attention problems.
Hey, any other?
On to me concentrating.
Wow.
Our class and our dream or train say a bepon. Na wakope wakofan the phone no abo game. You make kaipa you school such am not computers about your computer lab. Adia yesuan.
Obi not doing hokra.
And you know yesuan and back benches. Nankofa ko sheho. No man download the game. Those days diskettes ni zanya man.
No dia guso.
Kulum de neme guso no mo bo. Enti ye ka say a computer timer and die nipa oda o class grab boy alert e computer class. Because I grow into ADHD. And because at the way US statistics actually say 8 to 10 years no, a man colano to me focus hyperactivity.
Not doing number B.
In senior high school teachers be complaining about phones. I didn't know they go. Wako school sometimes social media the more you post in your and our audience will grow. And Takolana go school no or cause 3 months. Remember no me followers ne swati. And to a sneaky phone na sheho. And to who school in obetra wasi. But the person is not concentrating. Behaviors, sleep deprivation. And to sheho or that 2 hours, 3 hours. Oko school better sa. And in the mood no echo from because what bread who make cry school decline, falling grades.
Onya dear. Bon.
Akola no first no ya dear pa usha. Kwame, I didn't see Nasiano. Can we idea what mass?
Kwame for yes.
Oh, sir. Okay. Hey. Omuni na be okay, nti me can say okay, and me kwakufu. And e kwakufu na ekuafo, omenya mene. Omunyo omu homework. They be no aye late. Nini na ya science chese obano bibi koso e wo so hwe ni ye social withdrawal yemuni na mako baby inka fence ko nini nuanom ne cousins ni ni wo fanu ni sisters ka ye kwa oye na ye di agro ye na esua de onu kwa ye duwa no akohye dem onu kwa no onu kwa ti phone so social withdrawal sports onye bi Debia no odidi kura na phone no kura no. One saw a year man me call saloon bi. Just say ye day tablets ne si akola nanim anso aye din ama ya ye ni tina ma. Enye sa esu a wo su no. Untimi nye ni tina ma. Aggression so violent game and content exposure plus sleep loss no. Aggression no ma omo no start here no ma be bullies no. Because bibia they want it their way. The teacher beka no a snobby teacher no for asem fi me soko. All of these things cause and a risky online behavior. The parents muntie me ye pa parents guardians agnyema akola na show ho no na fe de onu no bullying ko for omo didi ko fatem no
yes e be correct me catch na dan for me say on try on ni hu make no try
yes me ba ho na cyberbullying no ma create account a who say ono or na real account no create account for now commenting no or the hate speech near day comments our video I say look at your head you cry you are no good maybe only work class information be our name about you no they are better about thing. See, because of exposure to content, exposure to all kinds of things, sexual content. And they start in a pornographic, content. Now they are addicted. Yes, because now you ain't yet ready and yet developed to, take some of this information just yet. Someone who said Adiwe is not good for me, all kinds of problems. Game spending, so yeah, another thing. Some of the games are free, they're free. No, we have Sika. Over here, now 100 CDs a era. Over here, now 200 a era. Or 50 CDs a era. Or better, no mobile money pin. No transfer Sika, or we are no deleting message. Who says, me send these Sika, so then a Sika ye koi. No, the 2 online games, send your bear. Or bebo games into risky online behavior since a serious issues cause into day now for a mother father
President so mama ho na sa dia President boss we a parent and they say what do we need is see a so na e be say hana me boss kakra me boss kakra extremely important. What Ryan said here, Sandy is shaping the brain of a child. The brain of a child, a crana journey, no a kurana no. And I catch I say, the younger the brain, the deeper the imprinting. Say, I didn't swear. Now, Obesa was saying, Obet me a saying, it's a growing, developing brain. Eti parent, Montia di biasima. And I'll be our caregiver. Maybe say, when you boss. Apps and Hodua, Momano use soon. Woman na Mosua, roadblocks, and the account on some games and Hodua and Kurano. Ayana omani jia omudi echino. They are engineered to be addictive. Yashada ashishene say sa games no Emma wobano adwene enkodi echi. Algorithm na omodi ye no. Tansanya me say is in the US will be and they I think either Facebook or back on any court. Say no sir. And ofia say wo use. Now, the way I almost see a algorithm, there's in Shishaya, Emma various programs and games no obono. Your design is a more general, a dad, a wagon, my dear Chia could say, Oberton Tintanton, any addiction. So they are specially designed, Emma rewards. And Obon say, oh, now add a similar content, content I excited that neighbor. More TikTok come so okofa one spacer and now one video and now one picture and now whatever. Who say the similar content, bro. That's the algorithm. Yes, you say Emma Obana Jene and you're addictive. And engineer be okay autoplay. 1 to 1 rank say about a box streets and one rewards. Now ama o child Obana fele say why are they? I'm doing well because a man reward, so he doesn't feel weak. Number 2, I say what you say. Your child's brain is uniquely vulnerable. Akrana jineno. The younger the brain, the deeper the imprinting. Eti adrenuswa. Efena adreno enyini. Na some braking system aye prefrontal. Say akranu guswanu wa yane lose control. Me catch now. A week ago about the amygdala hijack. It will lose control by no animal. So prefrontal brain and mature by the mid-20s. Middle 20s, now wait the but on your younger, they said here, not precisely from 8 to 10 or US no, or when they say 8 years no or iPad, no phone. It is obviously introduce a crime to it earlier. Can who say you are destroying your own child? It is Adreno Yini. And do mid-20s Adreno and it hasn't grown yet. So when you are introduce them, they are destroying the brains of your child. And it's a warning signs no. Akwani dia throw about the use. Oh, mommy me use here. Not or hiding the screen no. We are not the asset or the asset me answer. Obe one is say oh, na madam. What the also ada. Shene nini boko. Won say e move bi obo awon dai. Uti ka kra bon say osre. Wo da down. And ask what the people akata no. Na bi how no aye. Any signs on that boy. Wabwa, we dey try to almost aje mami no match no. When na ankwa trick is ayen trick is so. And emfa TV enko share oba dem. Don't fix television in the room of your child. Don't do it. In fact, just say, wait until your child is about to get to secondary school. And sana obe introduce no to a phone be already a man. Say a phone me be a onon kwa na wo fie some of the times I'm not there. Say a phone and your smartphone. Maybe I'll bet to me earlier receive a call. But what do you say? And my family needs structure. And Emma Obin can't just say Obani alone. Now, and I'm ya, I don't kind of you go and get books. A year, man, my last one were GHS. And now I was not on board. Me say I know what to do. Me no come me call ya me kofano. Me no call library. Me wo bookshop or campus. Me call share books e so. Na mama na time. One kind of no mama feedback. Dear wom. And your phone ya de mano. Obey a JHS ya. Wako to phone ya mano. Wrong. As I say, wako share books mano. Now I don't know adaje e discuss issues. Or can kind of the womb. What are the lessons? Or making note amount. And are very important. Now for me sermon, a hammer de yame papa. Now it can be about aggression. Now for you and Twasso. 10 years pa. And how much they say? A crown of fear say, oh chairman sir, games na ye competitive na. Oh yeah, now oh shoot. Hey, I've killed 4, I've killed 5. Man, who study be a reviewer? Or just say. And Krama General, a better option, more aggressive content. Sano. Na a number naturally. A say, the old kuno. The other officer, a bet me nipa. I know a toys no kuno. And naturally, na I killing. Na a ye. Now, who no every space. The human conscience. It is all the idea Bobia. A say, I didn't know she. Our game no. Our TV no so. Our phone no so. A yenipa. Was say wa brabo. Was say wa.